Bulla everyone, give skin the ultimate hydrating boost with virgin coconut and Dilo oil in our Dilo and coconut hydrating mask. These amazing oils combined with knee-grass provide 24-hour hydration, while anti-aging peptides also help stimulate collagen and smooth fine lines and wrinkles. You want to apply it directly to cleanse and tone skin using the handy brush that comes in the mask box. You want to take some of the mask onto the brush and apply it directly to skin. Apply on all the different zones on your face, and this will allow for an even application. Now you want to leave this mask on overnight while you sleep. Let it absorb deep into the dermis to really nourish, hydrate, repair, and stimulate collagen in the skin. In addition to that, when you wake up in the morning, your skin will just be smoother, plumper, more hydrated and glowing. So if you have any excess and you want to remove it, you can do so. You can also massage any excess into your skin and leave it on there to continue to hydrate and soothe your skin as well. So there you have it, our Dilo Coconut Hydrating Mask for the ultimate in skin hydration and repair.